right. For letter C, I want you to write down 4 plus 2, parentheses, 3 plus 1, parentheses. And then I want you to go ahead and record G, M, A. Remember, G stands for our grouping symbols, M stands for our multiplicative actions, multiply or divide, and A stands for adding or subtracting actions. So as I scan my problem, I notice that I have an adding symbol, I have another adding symbol, and then I have a number that's right next to these parentheses. Sometimes we refer to that as a snake in the grass. It's kind of like it's hidden. It's an invisible multiplication symbol. So I'm going to go ahead and put that in right there. When I go back and look at my problem, I have 1, 2, 3 actions, so I'll need to have 3 lines for solving to get the answer. Do you see any grouping symbols? I do. I see 3 plus 1. So I'm going to underline that first, and I'm going to add that. 3 plus 1 is 4. Because that is in parentheses, I'm going to put the parentheses around it. I'm going to drop the number 2, and then I'm going to drop the addition sign, and I'm going to drop the number 4. Notice nothing switched positions, everything was dropped into place. Alright, the next thing would be to multiply. Do we have any multiplicative actions? We do. We have a number that is in parentheses. So we have 2 times 4. I'm going to underline this piece next. What is 2 times 4? 2 times 4 is going to give me 8. So I'm going to record that. And that means that this piece is done. So since this piece is done, the only thing I need to drop would be my adding symbol and the number 4. That leaves my last piece, because we've already done groupings, we've already done multiplicative, we need to do adding. And so our last piece is to add. 4 plus 8 will give you the answer. That's right, it will give you the number 12. And when you get to 12, you can box it in. We have finished all of the steps. A couple of reminders. Did your expression slowly become that upside down triangle? That piece of pizza. Are you noticing that the order is not changing? The only thing that is changing is when we solve something, we drop it. And we keep all of the actions and all of the numbers in the same order. Make sure that you do that. Okay, we have one final problem to put in our notes, and I'll see you back for that next problem.